multidimensional nature of poverty, multidimensional poverty index 2018 in India, 10 indicators of multidimensional poverty index. Multidimensional Poverty Index 2018 report in Tamil Nadu, nutrition and health status of nutrition. And agricultural policy. Agricultural policy in India. The new agricultural policy based on exports of agricultural goods was announced by the central government in 2018. The new agricultural policy based on export of agricultural goods was announced by the central government in 2018. This policy states that the government has decided to remove export restrictions on most organic and proposed agricultural products. The main reason is to give an assurance that organic or processed agricultural product will not be under any export restriction such as export duty, export bans and quota restriction. The main reason is to give an assurance that organic to processed agricultural product will not be under any export restriction such as export duty, export bans and quota restriction. Agricultural policy of a country is mostly designed by the government for raising agricultural production and productivity, and also for raising the level of income and the standard of living of farmers within the definite time frame. This policy is formulated for all-round and comprehensive development of agricultural sector. Some importance of the objectives of the ideas of agricultural policy. Some of the important objectives of India's agricultural policy. First one, raising the productivity of inputs. One of the important objectives of India's agricultural policy is to improve the productivity of inputs. Purchase like high yielding varieties of seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, irrigation and irrigation project, etc. Next, the rising value added per hectare. Agricultural policy is to increase per hectare value added rather than rising physical output by raising the productivity of agriculture in general and productivity of small and marginal holding in particular. Next, the protecting the increase of poor farmers. Agricultural policy is proposed to protect the interest of poor and marginal farmers by abolishing intermediaries through land reforms, expanding institutional credit support to poor farmers, etc. Agricultural policy is proposed to protect the interest of poor and marginal farmers by abolishing intermediaries through land reforms, expanding institutional credit support to poor farmers. Next, the modernizing agricultural sector. Here the policy support includes the introduction of modern technology in agricultural operations and application of improved agricultural inputs like high yielding variety seeds, fertilizers and etc. And environmental degradation. Agricultural policy of India has set another objective to check environmental degradation of natural base of Indian agriculture. Next, removing the bureaucratic obstacle. The policy has set another objective to remove the bureaucratic obstacles of the farmers, the cooperative societies and self-help institutions so that can work independently. Next, multidimensional poverty measures can be used to create a more comprehensive picture picture. The revival who is poor, how they are poor, and the range of disadvantages they experiences, as well as providing a headline measures of poverty. Multidimensional measures can be broken down to reveal the poverty level in different areas of a country and removing and among the different subgroup of people. I mean, the multidimensional poverty measures can be used to create more comprehensive picture. They reveal who is poor, how they are poor, and the range of disadvantages they experiences, as well as providing a headline measures of poverty. Multidimensional measures can be broken down to reveal the poverty level of the different area of a country and among different subgroups of people. Multidimensional poverty index was launched by the United Nations Development Program and the Oxford Poverty Human Development Initiative (OPHI) in 2010. The basic philosophy and significance of multidimensional nature of poverty is based on the idea that poverty is not unidimensional and that is rather than multidimensional. The poverty is not unidimensional and that is rather multidimensional. Multidimensional poverty is made up of the several factors that constitute poor people experience of the depreciation, such as health, education, living standard, income, and development quality of work, and threat from violence. Next topic, Multidimensional Poverty Index 2018 in India. The Multidimensional Poverty Index 2018 report prepared by the United Nations Development Program. Multidimensional Poverty Index 2018 report prepared by the United Nations Development Program and the Oxford Poverty and Human Development Initiative makes the following observation about India. India has reduced its poverty rate drastically from 55% to 28% in 10 years, with 271 million people moving out of poverty between 2005 to 2006 and 2015 to 2016. India still had 364 million poor people in 2015 to 16, the largest for any country, although it is down from 635 million in 2005 to 6. Of the 364 million people who were multidimensional poverty index poor in 2015-16, 156 million were children, whereas in 2005 to 6 there were 292 million poor children in India. This represents a 47% decreases or 136 million fewer children growing up in multidimensional poverty. 80% of people belongs to ST, scheduled tribes, were poor in 2005 to 6. And 50% of them were still poor in 2015 to 16. Bihar, with more than half of its population in poverty, was the poorest state in 2015-16. Which state has the poorest states in India? Bihar. Next, the four poorest states are Bihar, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh were still home to 196 million multi-dimensional poverty index, poor people, which was over half of all the multi-dimensional poverty index poor people in India. I mean, the poor states are the below poverty line in India. Which states? The Bihar, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. The poor states are the poor states. I mean, the poor people. These states have the poor people in India. The Kerala, one of the least poor regions in 2006, reduced its multidimensional poverty index by around 92%. Next topic, multidimensional poverty index 2018 report in Tamil Nadu. Over the last decades, Tamil Nadu has made a significant progress in poverty reduction. The districts of Tamil Nadu are classified into three categories. Namely, high poverty districts, more than 40% of the population living below poverty line. Next, moderate poor districts. This districts consist 30% to the 40% people living below moderate poverty line. Next, low level poverty districts. I mean, the Tamil Nadu districts classified into three categories, namely high poverty districts and moderate poor districts and low level poor districts. After 1994, poverty has declined steadily in both rural and urban areas of Tamil Nadu, and the status has smaller share of India's poor relative to its population. After 2005, the poverty reduction in the state has been faster than in many other states in India. The Tamil Nadu leads in poverty alleviation program during 2014-17. The government of India is implementing many policies and programs to eradicate poverty. These policies and programs, if continued, will completely eradicate the poverty in this state. In future, the Tamil Nadu can become a model of the development in India. Next, top and bottom, the multi-dimensional poverty index district in Tamil Nadu. I mean, the high poverty district of Tamil Nadu are Kanjipuram, Chennai, Kadalur, Coimbatore, Nagapattinam. Low level poverty district of Tamil Nadu are Dharmapuri, Perambalur and Ramanathapuram, Virudhunagar, Ariyalur. These districts are low level poverty district of Tamil Nadu. Thanks for watching.